Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to enable Classic Editor on WordPress. So if you're on the latest version of the WordPress, you will notice that you have this block editor on the website. Some of us they don't like this block editor. You see, some of us like the old editor that WordPress used to have. If you're the same, I'll show you how to revert back to that. So in order to do that, we have to go to the dashboard and go to the plugins and click add new plugin. And from there, it's actually here already, but you can just find it from here. Classic Editor. Search for it and install it. Then click activate. Okay. So after this, we'll try to create a new post. You will be able to see that this is not the block editor anymore. This is the old classic WordPress editor. So if you are used to this, I say use it. And maybe if in the future, if you don't want to use it anymore, just go to your plugin sections and just delete it or deactivate it from here. So this is how you enable the classic editor on WordPress. If you like the video, please thumbs up, like, and please subscribe. Thanks a lot.